More information is slowly being revealed regarding Department of Justice employees associated with Fusion GPS and the Clinton campaign, including a former Associate Deputy Attorney General. One America's John Hines reports.
The Senate Intelligence Committee has taken a recent interest in former Associate Attorney General Bruce Ohr and his reported connections with Fusion GPS. And it is this interest that is telling, says Judicial Watch President Tom Fitton.
The fact that the Senate Intelligence Committee is bringing in Bruce Ohr, this Justice Department official involved with Fusion GPS and the Clinton dossier, shows you where the collusion scandal is. It's with the Clinton campaign, the DNC, the FBI, the Justice Department. How did they use this dossier? Was Mueller using this dossier? Was it used to spy? Was it used to justify to a court to get warrants to spy on Trump and his team? These are all open questions. That's the collusion.
That's the collusion, says Fitton. And the fact that the Senate Intelligence Committee wants to interview Ohr underscores that fact, and that the FBI was actually involved with the Russian dossier.
Bruce Ohr is the first indication we have that the Justice Department itself was involved in this dossier that's been so controversial, the dossier created by Hillary Clinton's campaign, the Democratic National Committee. We know the FBI had a hand in it, was using it, may have paid individuals associated with it. Now we learn that Bruce Ohr was also meeting with the dossier's authors. And so the question is, why?
Why indeed? And one clue may be Ohr's wife, Nellie, who reportedly was working for Fusion GPS.
Well, it turns out the same firm that created the dossier had also hired Bruce Ohr's wife. Again, Bruce Ohr, senior Justice Department official, head of the Organized Crime Division, also a deputy assistant AG, so really up there in the ranks in terms of the Department of Justice. Given his senior position in the Justice Department, one would suspect he'd be involved in the Russia collusion investigations. So there are going to be questions about what his involvement was, how did he use the dossier, what was he communicating with this Clinton campaign vendor about.
Communicating with the Clinton campaign, says Fitton, and possibly communicating via text messages, some of which have just come to light, which seem to reveal anything but a neutral FBI.
Don't forget, you can't disconnect all of this with the new texts that we're hearing about out of the FBI, where you see FBI top leadership talking about having an insurance policy in case President Trump won the election. You have to wonder if the insurance policy was the dossier or the Russia investigation generally.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
Nope, we didn't see it, not in recent American history. You'd have to go back to the Nixon days for something like this to find something comparable to what's going on now.
The Senate Intelligence Committee has revealed little information, but its recent witnesses could indicate a critical new phase of its investigation into Russian collusion. John Hines, One American News, Washington.